So today, someone hired me as their mover.
The U-Haul driver for the day. Part-time job daw, taga mover ng U-Haul.
So kung sino man gustong magpa-drive dyan, so contact me!
Okay, U-Haul driver na siya.
Driver door open.
You pusdak it because
Nakalak na ba? Driver door open.
because it's maano sa magano babe. Yeah, that's it.
Nalak mo na imo?
Yeah,
Lock na ako?
I think so.
Hindi ko na ilak, babe. Padalo.
Oh, love.
Nang meron, kung boto na.
Okay.
Oh my God!
U-Haul driver. Babe, this one have no blind spots ha. You want me sa likod mo or na babe lantaw wala
Hindi
na.
lang malam, babe. So di ko ni babe may park.
Hindi ka na magbuhat diretso na dapat puli ya.
Ay, kanto na to. Binikuha na to sa lakyan.
Okay.
Oh my God, I survived. So nauwi ko yung U-Haul truck sa apartment namin. So bukas naman uli. Try natin. Oh my! This is my first time to drive a truck. Oh, I didn't expect that I have to do this in the US. Look at that. So, nakaya ko yung i-drive. So, today, tayo po ay maghahakot ng gamit natin. So, maghahakot po tayo ng gamit namin. At, last day na po namin dito sa aming apartment. And, babalik pa kami after noon. Pero gagamitin na namin sururo kasi mga maliliit na lang na mga gamit yung natira dito. So, punta na kami ng Oxford. So, wish me luck. I need to drive the U-Haul truck for 30 minutes. Then pabalik 30 minutes naman ulit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I can do this. I can do this. So, tingnan nyo yung apartment namin. So empty na. Yan, CR. So kaunti na lang yan. Wala na yung laman. Yan. Okay. So, see you later sa bahay namin. Video natin, baka makalimutan ko kung paano. Yan. Open air. Yan. Isa po.
O, diba? Improving siya. Mabilis yung paitalalim. Oop! Mag-hire po kayo ng mover na katulad niya. Ang sipag niya po.
Buti na lang talaga nag-gym ako. Kahit pa paano kinakaya. Oh, dito ka na naman ulit. Yan. Malapit na. Malapit na. My God. December 31 pa naman ngayon. So masakit na yung likod namin. Andyan ka ulit. Yan ang movers. Yan si Roro. So mabigat daw dun sa one. Pa. Wait lang pala.
That's it. Huwag mo na dalhin.
Ito yung makakaya ko. Maliit.
Yung sofa mo. Iwan mo na dyan.
Parang embedded yun. Okay. Next one is the mattress. Oh my God, ang sakit na ng likod ko.
I-push-push na yung mattress lalo siya.
Grabe. Parang ano din namin though parang almost 30 minutes din namin. Niload yun. Imagine from there. From there. Second floor. To there. Oh my God. An achievement. Nilagyan namin ito. Tips namin to sa inyo. May box kayo. Nahulog na din yung asawa ko. Kalmo, di bebo.
Next slide in front. Hindi ka mo kalupit.
Mahulog ka naman di karon niya.
Kalupit ka ang bed kong ano na plastic.
May plastic naman to po. Babe, active. Ano na yung oras? Let's go na. Naglaro. sa baba naman.
Sa baba naman, ano mo muna.
Wait, malaki ang camera ko. Ah. Woo! Yan. Hulog sa hulog ko. Oh. Okay. Buti na lang, meron kaming plastic na galing sa isang mattress namin. So, nagamit namin siya. Okay. You? Go. Oh! Are you okay? My God. Time to sakwat-sakwat na. Diyan ka muna, oh. Yan. Para makita mo ang process. Next up.
Marami po kaming kaibigan.
Next up, the dresser. So, dalawang items na lang. The dresser and the anong yung isa, babe? Ang gina-exercisean ko? Walker.
Treadmill.
Yeah, the treadmill. So, yun na lang. Treadmill. Mas mahulog ka naman, ha?
Okay, go.
Ikaw na muna, babe. Next up is the dresser. One step at a time. 1, 2, 3.
So, I don't know. Wait. Ang ating mover ay super sipag. Ay, wait, where are you? Ah, it's the, how to put the camera at the back. How?
Pinto to mo dami may circle.
Go to the back.
Wala na sabi.
Where?
Okay na na. So, nandyan na. Isa na lang. So, nandyan na yung sofa, mattress, dresser. Last one, kaya pa? Treadmill na lang. Let's go, let's go. Sakit na ng likod ko. Tuhod yung sa asawa ko. Kasi naglalaro kanina. May winasak pa siya. Lagot ka. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yun. So, here's the last one. Our treadmill. Okay, let's go. Let's do it, baby.
Shh, hi. Shh, shh, Hi. Babe, hi. Say hi. Babe, say hi. Babe. Ako niyo dun. Oh, gusto ko. Sit.
So, ito na lahat yung nahakot namin. So, naghakot kami like for 2 hours. And then, i-unload po namin mamaya sa bahay namin. So, tingnan nyo. Yan na lahat. Okay. Close na natin na tayo.
Yeah. Should be. Where is he? The usual driver for the day. The mover.
Kakayanin ko ba ito?
Yeah,
30 minutes?
you can do it, baby. This is Lord, keep us safe.
Okay, let's drive na. Going to our house. Hopefully, we're safe. We will be safe.
Fully.
Head east, then turn right.
Lord, please help us.
Keep us safe, Lord.
Then turn left.
Padu pabalik ni. It's back and forth.
Turn left onto Hewitt Street, then turn right onto North Roxborough Street.
Asawa
You're
ni
back
siya,
online.
asawa ni siya Lumbim.
Turn left onto
Yeah.
Hewitt Street, then turn right onto North Roxborough Street.
Galing-galing mag-drive ng U-Haul.
Wow,
Wait,
Oh,
turn right
driver.
onto North Roxborough
not
Street.
much.
He said there's like humps.
Continue on North Roxborough Street for 1.5 miles.
We're on the move. Kaya?
Kakayanin, baby.
It's bright and sunny day, but it's a little bit cold.
Yun lang, walang risk control.
Tatapa ka ng gasolina. Oh, galing ah! Pasok na! Oh, what's that, babe?
What was that?
I don't know. Is that the water?
Probably.
Astig!
Buti na lang. Malabak yung daan.
Quiet, can you be mag-drive? I'm so proud of you. Oh my gosh. Nag-drive na siya ng truck. Oh my
Ito na yung ano
gosh.
natin. Yung part-time job.
Part-time job daw. Saka mover ng U-Haul. So proud of you.
I'm just trying my best.
Parang
Kasi
kailan
wala
lang.
nang tatay dito. Wala nang papa at God.
And Christian.
Walang Christian.
Oh my gosh. At lang, hindi ka ba mag-drive?
Istorbohin namin yung mga friends namin.
Uy, may friends kami ah.
It's New Year's Eve.
It's New Year's Eve. It's
We tried our best.
New Year na sun sa ano,
Ang maghapon namin at mag-drive dito.
Christmas. Sa Pinas.
New Year's Eve na sa Pinas.
See? It's driving. Oh my
1 hour na.
gosh.
New Year.
Why is this? The air is ang galing oh, hindi lumalampas sa lane. Wow, very good na driver. Wow, sana all. We're here. How was it?
Wow, I survived. Let's go. So, nandito na po kami sa bahay namin at tayo ay mag-unload na ng mga gamit namin. So, hopefully, matapos kami mag-unload ng 11:30, so 25 minutes. So, we will try our best. Let's go. Let's do it. Yun, so natapos namin siya. Wala pang 30 minutes. So mabilis na yung pag-unload namin. So now, ibabalik na namin yung sasakyan namin. Nilagay muna namin siya sa garage namin. Mamaya na namin ilalagay sa loob. Okay. Okay, so tapos na namin i-unload lahat. Nandiyan na. Kami ay babalik sa aming apartment para kunin si Ruru at magpa-follow yung asawa ko para balik na namin yung U-Haul truck. But before namin ibalik, so kailangan namin lagyan ng gasolina. So, let's go! Oops. Ay. Let's go, baby! Nandiyan na si Madam.
Video with fun. Three-fourth lang daw.
Ay, naman siya. Diesel mo.
So maybe about 15? I don't
So
know.
mga $15 lang.
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
One moment, please. Iyan na ito na ba ibang card?
See. Oh, you cannot see. It should be.
Handle to pay. Insert card relief. Handle to pay inside. Ha?
You don't know because you always go to Costco.
I-swipe ko na? Or
One
swipe
moment,
danay?
please. You said one moment, please.
Insert card na lang ho. Insert card. Welcome to
Oh,
short
yeah.
card. lang.
Yeah, I think so. Ato gani full tank is 20,
10 lang.
15 na ah. Hindi madami fully hambal. Kung full tani, mas better. I mean, kung yung full tank na ito, full tank ka man.
Okay, done. So tayo ay babalik na ng Regency para kunin si Ruru. At yung asawa ko ay magdadrive. So, check to sa babe. Ito na babe.
Two big 3 quarters.
Is it quarter?
It's almost full already. Yeah.
Dapat dyan lang oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go back na to get Ruru. And then, babalik na natin ito yung next passenger. Okay, so naisuli na namin yung U-Haul. Thank you, Lord. We survived. So nakaya nating i-drive yung U-Haul. Ang total na binayaran namin is 118.25. And then yung miles is only 68 miles. So 68 miles lang pala. Akala ko is magmo-more than siya ng 70. So, meron pa kaming extra sa binayaran namin yesterday. So, ang U-Haul na to is located sa Guest Road. So, very approachable nila. Dito sa may Auto Pros of Durham. Dito sa may Guest Road. So, kung sino man gustong magpa-drive dyan, so contact me. Hindi. Joking aside, so kung kinaya ko, so 1 year and 6 months ko lang ako dito nagda-drive sa US. So makakaya nyo din yan. You can do it, baby. So thank you for watching. Happy New Year again. So I hope everyone will have a bountiful ba? A happy New Year. So God bless to everyone.